Today I will be reviewing the Mouse in Cheese by Fofos. It's an electronic spin cat toy. This review is not sponsored, so I will give you my honest opinion. I got it off Amazon for $13.99, but it seems to be on sale for $11.99. As soon as I open the box, Zelda has to come and smell it and check it out. And Ziggy is not too far behind to check out the new toy. This is the USB cord that comes with it to charge it, and of course Zelda has to check that out as well. The mouse is attached to the cheese with a little twist tie. Don't forget to take that off. Zelda wants to play with the toy even when it's not charged, so I let her play with it a little bit. This toy kind of reminds me of the Cat Amazing box, which I will leave a link down below and up above, where there's a box with lots of holes that the cats have to interact with to get the treats. The box states that it's supposed to promote mental and physical health of your cat. Zelda seems to enjoy the toy, even when it's not charged. However, one of the downsides is that the mouse gets out of the hole pretty quickly, and I always have to put the mouse back in the hole. So maybe the mouse has to be a little bigger than the hole so they can't get it out. Here's what it looks like off. Then I turn the switch on. And you can see the mouse vibrate inside. Ziggy wanted to play with it first. But he soon figured out how to get the mouse out of the hole. Next, it was Zelda's turn to play with the toy while it was vibrating. And almost immediately, she was able to get the mouse out of the hole. I would give this toy a 3.5 out of 5 stars because I constantly had to put the mouse back in the hole. But other than that one issue, I think the cats really enjoyed this toy, and I'm sure it's something that they will play with in the future.